Hello everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. It's been quite a long time since I've done a video like this, and I really miss it. Trust me. I wish that I could do these videos more often, and now that I'm becoming more responsible with my money, I can do that. These shoes today are not mine though. These are my fiance's, but he got them the night that they dropped, and mine are going to be in the mail. So, we got the, Answer 3's in navy, white, and gold. And these shoes are freaking amazing. I'll show you guys the box. It's just a regular, box, you know, with the i3. You have the Reebok and the Reebok Vector. And then right here's the tag. These are Answer 3's. They're men's 13, women's 14 and a half. Unisex basketball, made in Vietnam. The Vector, navy, white, metallic gold. The code for these bad boys is 100209505. So let's open these up and check these bad boys out. They are amazing. Like, I am blown away by these. I didn't get any of the 3's so far, and I am kind of upset I didn't get the Victor Solomon's, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so here I grabbed the right shoe. So from the front, we're going to just stick the tag to the side. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I love these shoes. I don't know what I was thinking before, but seeing these in person, even in the huge size that they are, these are amazing shoes. And I can't wait to get a pair of these. We'll start on this side, and this is not normal because I'm used to reviewing the questions and it's always exactly the same. So we start in the back corner. We have this little acrylic i3 right here, which is his Allen Iverson's thing. It's the I for Iverson, and 3, which was his basketball number. Then you have the Reebok Vector right here in gold, metallic gold. You can check it out right there. It's stitched in. Then we have this gold piping that comes along here, and it's really smooth. I love the outsole of these. It's nice. It fits with the lines on the shoes perfectly. And then right here, it says that we have the DMX cushioning in it. When you flip around to the front, we have a little tab in here. I don't know what these are called, but that's okay. I'm sure somebody will tell me sooner or later. But there is a little shoe tag right here that says i3 that's green and white. And I like the color contrast with the green in certain places on these shoes. It's really cool. But we have a suede major for the front. This suede, like scalloped, not scalloped, but just lined suede. It's beautiful. And then you have that line of piping, and then you have this blue leather right here. You go up, and the whole tongue is that blue leather until you get up to the very top. It is blue suede with the i3 on it again. And then we're gonna, let me look at the tags and see if there's anything on them. Due to the unique nature of the leather, the suede, there may be occasions when minor color transfer occurs, especially in wet conditions. So know that. The tag says everything else I already read you on the sticker on the outside of the box. So here's the inside. And right here, we have that same line, but there's no vector. On this side, it's just plain blue. Then when we go to the back, It's just plain blue leather. And then we have a suede back with the pull up top. And then you have a Reebok Vector in blue right here and a Reebok Vector right here on the outsole in white. And we're going to go to the bottom of the shoes. We have a I3 right here. It's hard acrylic. And then we have the Reebok Vector right here. And then we have this great bottom of the shoe. I love it. I cannot wait to get my pair of these. I'm so excited. Let me unwrap this other shoe. I haven't, like, I pulled it out of the box because I wanted to see what they look like, period. But I haven't gotten both of them out of the box. These are just genuinely beautiful shoes. I really want to start reviewing Iversons again. I love doing it, and I haven't had it in me to spend money lately. But I've been saving, and I think the time's almost come. So definitely about buying them. They haven't had a ton of shoes for sale lately, honestly. I think you guys have noticed that. It's been like the same 5 pairs of shoes on the Reebok website. So that was both of the pairs of shoes, or both of the shoes together. I'm not going to wrap these up yet because you guys are going to have to hear the paper if I do that. But let me see on the inside if there's anything. I didn't show you the inside. I forgot. Oh, I lost a nail. Can't have that. And I lost it in the shoe. That's too funny. Okay, I'll fix it. But anyway, let me pull these laces out, and then we're going to show you the bottom. It's just the I3 in white, green, and blue. I had to look to see the colorway on this, but very cool. Fits with the shoes, looks very good. Lost a nail. Anyway, I hope you guys like this. Please let me know. Are you guys gonna cop these? Do you think they're ugly? Really? Let me know. I'd love to hear what you have to say. I think these shoes are fire, and I can't wait to get mine. So anyway, I would love to talk to you guys about these. Leave me some comments. It's been a minute since I talked about shoes, so yeah. I'll talk to you guys soon. Wherever you guys are, whatever time of day it is, I hope you're having a great one. And I will talk to you all very, very soon. To all my makeup ladies, I'm sorry, but I have a few extra hobbies that you guys aren't used to. So this one is a little out of the box for me. Anyway, I'll be back with a regular video up in a few days. All right, bye guys.